Well, they've started working on the floor here down at the shop build. And they got done working. We've got them going at 3 different sites locally. And the videos at my home project are on here as well. But today they started putting down the vapor barrier, 6 mils, and also the 1.5-inch foam board, which will give that R value underneath the heated radiant floor. And then they'll be running that pipe across the top as well. We have this same setup inside of the main shop there, the first shop, and it works so good. It is so affordable to heat that shop all winter long and keep the guys, you know, cozy working on that concrete floor. So this is just a smart way to go. 3/4-inch water line, mapped out. They have a program that maps it out, and they'll do their loops on here because you can only go so many feet per loop to make sure that you you know, have that thing carrying heat the way you want it to. And like I said, 1.5-inch, 7.5 R value going down wall to wall, and they're making some good progress. They got half here done. They'll do the other half probably tomorrow or the beginning of next week, and then get that line down. I think they're going to be pouring concrete on Thursday. And then they also started getting the trench drain. We've got one long outside of this side door. We've got one long trench drain that will come all the way out and in this corner. So when we're doing stuff in the winter time, you know, washing things down and stuff like that, we can put there, and that'll drain right outside. We have drain inside that door and also inside the front door in the other shop. We're not going to have drains in front of these 2 doors. We don't plan on having anything near those that we need them for. So just putting one long one over here, that'll be really nice. So they're making good progress. I tell you what, this thing right here, I want to run this. I've never used one of this. It's a compactor. It works off a remote. They've been running this thing around right near the walls and everything, compacting stuff, and it is the coolest looking toy. And but I have not yet had the chance to run this thing, but it's fun watching them. So, but that's today's progress, and I'll continue this on the next phase. Just a quick update on where they're at after another day of progress. And you can see they've got the trench drain all put in, rebar staked, tape the opening so, you know, concrete doesn't get inside, and they've got that all ready to go. This is a long one, so it's going to give us just a great bay for drainage. We've got the stone cleared out of where the concrete will sit on the sills, which is good, and they've got some more of the foam board and poly vapor barrier down. Also put that edge, if you look around the edge over there, you can see, let me walk over here, it's harder to see, but they put a little piece around the sides of the floor. Those things will stand up. You can see them back there. And that gives a little R value from the exterior wall. And then they're starting to run some line. They ran that one there. That doorway there, on the other side of that door is where we're going to put the utility room for this side of the building. And so they chipped away the concrete underneath the door so that they can run all these lines in there. They've already put the manifolds in. Those will all connect to that. And then the other thing I want to show you real quick here is a dock plate. So we have a dock in the other building. We're putting another one in this one. And they got the frames in for this so that when they poured the walls, they had set the bottom and poured the bottom. And now they've got the exterior steel panels bolted in place. So when they pour, that's when they'll get this all the way around done. And then we'll have our concrete well for our dock plate to slide right in, and our dock leveler, I should say. So, but yeah, coming together. Bright day. Today is Wednesday, and they're pouring on Friday. So they're gonna finish the rest of this probably today, because they like to start their pours at about 4:30 in the morning. They'll have trucks lined up down the road and pump truck, and they get busy. It's amazing to see. So we're almost there.